Hello students, today I am coming with the second video on chi-square test for independent test. Yesterday I done one video. Under that we are calculated the voters pattern in men and women. Today we are calculating the education and employment are independent. Education and employment are independent. Today I taken the question paper 2019. It's again given for compulsory question, that is for 10 marks. Now I'll read the question first, then we'll solve the problem. From the following data, test whether education and employment are independent at 1% level of significant. At 1% level of significant. Now here they given the information here. They given employment and they given education. In employment they given employed and unemployed. In education they given educated and uneducated. They given some information here now. Educated people they employed here now 20. Educated people unemployed here now 18. And uneducated are employed here 15. And uneducated unemployed 25. And last line, apply chi-square test, education and employment are same. Okay, they given the question here now, education and employment are same. Now first always you should start with the solution here. We need to find out first H naught. H naught is nothing but the null hypothesis, means the statement given under question. Okay, we have to prove that the null hypothesis is wrong. We have to prove that the null hypothesis is wrong. For that purpose we need to test the hypothesis. So what is the hypothesis given here now? Apply the chi-square test. Education and employment are same. Education and employment are same. Now I have to prove that education and employment are not same. So that is the alternative hypothesis. So that's why we have to reject the null hypothesis using the alternative hypothesis. For that one we'll start here now. Solution first H naught we'll write here now. Education and employment are same. Education and employment are same. Next H1 here. H1 is here now. Education and employment are not same. You can write like that also, or you can write education and employment are independent. And you can write H1 here now. Education and unemployment are not independent. Okay, you can write like that also. You can write education and employment are same, or H1 education and employment are not same. Next one, we have to see the level of significance. Level of significance given under question is at 1%. At 1%. Last problem they given at 5%, and this problem they given at 1%. Okay, so what is the alpha value? Okay, so here K alpha, okay, K alpha equals to the table value is fixed. Okay, table values are here fixed at 5% and at 1%. At 1% it is a 6.63, and at 5% it is a 3.84. okay, now we are knowing the level of significance at 1%, and always the chi-square test will be here now upper tail. And when you are testing the chi-square here now, it will be always upper tail, and the at 1, okay, at degrees of freedom will be always 1. So degrees of freedom will be always 1, and we should test extra at level of significance at upper tail we should test. Next one, we are going to apply the formula here. The formulas here, chi-square equals to n into AD minus BC whole square divided by A plus B into C plus D into A plus C into B plus D. So now in question, okay, they given here now A. So A equals to how much they given here, that is a 20. So here A equals to they given here now 20. So I'll write here now A equals to 20, so that no one will get any confusion here. Next one, B equals to, it is 18. Then C equals to, it is 15. Then next one, D equals to, it is 25. Okay, so this is the information given so in the question. So based on that one here, now we are going to find out the answer here. Now A equals to 20 and B equals to 18, C equals to 15 and D equals to 25. Now we need to find out what is the A plus B value. Okay, so A equals to 20 and B equals to 18. So what is the A plus B? So the A plus B is here now 20 plus 18, it's a 38. Then C plus D, 15 plus 25, it's a 40. Next one, A plus C means 35. Then B plus D equals to 25 plus 18, it's a 43. So total is here now 43 plus 35, it's a 78. Okay, now 78 will be called as here now n. 78 will be called as here now n, and A plus B equals to 38 and C plus D equals to 40. A plus C equals to 35 and B plus D equals to here 43. So based on this information, we will calculate here now x square equals to, so here I am unable to write the x square here, but I am writing as a x2 here. So please make sure that when you are calculating, so you are taking the proper value. Okay, now what is the n is here now? N is 78. N is 78 in bracket. Okay, so what is the A value here now? So again I'll put one more bracket. Before that I'll put a into mark. Then 2, okay, 20 into. So 20 into 25 bracket close minus in bracket 18 into 15 bracket close. Next one, divided by 38 into 40 into 35 into 43. Okay, so this is the value we should use here now for calculation. Okay, I have forgotten here now one point. I not taken here now square. I'll use the square. This is a sign used for the square calculation. Okay, 20 into 25 minus 18 into 15 whole square. So that we should calculate here now. Therefore x square equals to, therefore x square equals to, now I'll use here now proper calculation. Excel sheet will calculate automatically here. 78 into 20 into 25 bracket close minus in bracket 18 into 15 bracket close, again bracket close, then square divided by, okay, next one you should calculate here now in bracket 38 bracket close into 40. I'll just calculate like that directly. 38 into 40 into 35 into 43. Okay, so I'm unable to calculate. I'm not getting correctly here now, so I'll put a bracket here. Okay, answer I'm getting here now 1.80. I'm getting the answer here now 1.80. Okay, what is the table value here now? Table value is 6.63 and our calculated answer is here now 1.83. So here 1.8037 is less than sorry, I'll write here now less than in words here now, less than 6.63. okay, so here 1.8037 is less than 6.63. therefore H naught will be, H naught is accepted. When your calculated value is less than table value, then H naught is accepted. If calculated value is more than table value or your K2 value, okay, alpha, this one, okay, table value. So if it is more than 6.63 your calculated answer, then you should reject the null hypothesis, or else if it is less than 6.63 or equal to 6.63, then H naught is accepted and H1 is rejected. Okay, so what is H naught here now? So we should write conclusion, last one here now. Conclusion, education and employment, education and employment are same. We should write this one here now. Final conclusion here now. Education and employment are same. Okay, we should calculate this much here now. So here important here now, this one H naught calculation is important and H1 and your level of significance, then calculation part. Okay, so many students you are going to make the calculation wrong here, because I use, okay, everyone should use here now calculator, that is a 12-digit calculator, otherwise you are not going to get the answer. How I got here, because I'm using the Excel sheet calculation, so here I got the answer. So better, so everyone should use the 12-digit calculator, then you are going to get the perfect answer. Now here, whenever the table value, okay, the calculated value is greater than table value, then H naught is rejected. But here in this problem 1.80 is the calculated value is less than table value, so H naught is accepted and H1 is rejected. The conclusion here now, conclusion always should write here now. If it is H naught is accepted, you should write H naught as it is, you write. If H1 is accepted, then you should write H1 whatever you written there, so that should be written as it is. Okay, so here I'll end the video here. Okay, we'll meet next problem on the goodness of fit. Okay, chi-square on goodness of